Hello, today we are going to talk about Godrej Capital Business Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Godrej Capital Business Loan. Having minimum turnover more than 50 lakh to no limit. Co-applicant age should be between 23 year to 65 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 690. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount up to 10 lakh to 40 lakh. Tenure will be 12 month to 48 month. Rate of interest will be 17.50% to 20% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 2 days for sanction and 7 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4%. Processing fees will be 2% of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed but after 12 months. Business registration proof is mandatory. Co-applicant is mandatory when applicant is other than individual or proprietorship firm. Business vintage should be 3 year. Processing will be offline. Ownership proof is required. One should be owned at business place. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Godrej Capital Business Loan: no financial up to 35 lakh loan. Location will be 50 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are both side rented, school, grain traders, advocates, jewelers, share traders, gym, liquor business, manpower, coal industry, hotels, civil contractors. No specific product for professionals. Required documents. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant if company, or list of partners, if applicant is partnership LLP.